Okay, we'll grab one of these right here. Let me see. Is it in the picture? Picture. Right here. Okay. Right there like that. Focus. I'm trying to do it one-handed. And where did it go? Right there. See that? I do that to each and every single one. Then I spray with the battery cleaner. Oh yeah, it's fun. The reason why I do it before the battery cleaner is because that way I can see where I left off. Then I give it a final touch with the battery cleaner. In case you're wondering which one, come on, focus. That one right there. Come on, focus. This one here. Give it some clean metal. See all that? That's not good. That's not good. You need to clean that up. You could catch a electrical fire. Short something out. The reason why I know, because look what happened there. Get some better out. Nope. Out. There. You don't want that to happen. So that's why I'm doing this. And the damn thing's 2004 Monaco Dynasty. Oh, I forgot to say, because I'm using my Team Milwaukee tool. All right, don't forget, use the cordless Milwaukee tool. Ta-da! It's a 5/64 bit, but I wish it was a little tiny bigger. But that's what I have. Just use what you got.